Welcome to the Essemtec booth here at Productronica. Delighted to be joined by Olivier Carnel. Nice to see you.
Yes, hello.
Okay, so lots to celebrate this week, Olivier, apart from the fact we've got a really busy booth behind us
Exactly.
here.
So of course, we are all here to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Productronica. This is of course, the big theme.
Absolutely.
We will soon celebrate the 35 years
Yes.
of Essemtec.
Yes.
But what we're celebrating here is our innovations
Yes.
and the theme guiding you through the jungle, or guiding the customer through the jungle.
Guiding the customer through the jungle of the manufacturing malaise we've got at the moment here in Europe. Yeah, I get it. So you've got quite a few new machines we want to talk about this week. First of all, the dual lane system beside me here, which you won a Global Technology Award for last night. So congratulations on that. But tell me a little bit about that. What drove you to make the dual lane? Is there a demand for it? And what's been the feedback here at the show?
So thank you for the introduction, and I'm very happy that we were awarded this prize through your hands. So the Tarantula dual lane is a big need in special automotive applications mainly.
Mm-hmm.
So whenever you want to have two processes on a very small footprint, so you can load one board with one process on one lane and have the second process on a second board on the second lane. So two independent processes in one small footprint.
Okay.
And this technology exists already in certain industries, but for us, it's the first time that we present the machine, and there was a huge interest.
Really? So both lanes can be doing the same product, or they can be doing different product?
Exactly. You're fully free what you want to do.
Right, okay. Or you could be doing the top side of a board down one side and then flipping it and doing the
everything's possible, absolutely. So you have two recipes for the two lanes, and then it allows you the full flexibility that you need.
Okay. And what sort of head configurations inside there? I mean, what sort of speed can you get out of it?
So the Tarantula is mainly known for his versatility. We have 3 dispense systems, so you can do glue, underfill, solder paste in one machine.
Yeah.
So if one has an application where you need these different processes and not just solder paste jetting, then you take such a machine. But we have parallel to this also the Puma.
Mm-hmm.
And on the Puma, our Swiss Army knife, because it's an all-in-one, we show the higher dispense speed.
Okay, I see. So that's the system that's up on the further corner over here.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And it's got the higher dispense speeds of what, 1 million or 1.1 million dots an hour?
Correct.
Yeah.
So I think in order to compete with stencil printers, you need to achieve a certain speed.
Right.
So of course we have all the arguments regarding versatility and change over time, which is much lower for a digital printing.
Yeah.
But you have to have a certain speed so that you can really compete.
Of course.
And whenever you have reached the 1 million, which is a 300 hertz, starts now extremely fast.
Yes.
You can really compete. And I'm very proud that we have reached this 1.1 million. And this is what we're showcasing here. And there's always a bunch of people around because it really caught interest.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you're definitely getting up there into being able to keep up with line speed kind of territory. The other thing that these jetters are getting used for is a top-up system for some of the other lines that are using stencil printers, and they're using it as a top-up for missing paste or insufficiency and that sort of thing.
Exactly. So either you do all the different processes with dispensing, or you have it at an add-on, as you say, in line.
Yeah.
You could do solder paste with a screen printer and then add some glue dots in case you want to attach the components to the board, not only with a solder paste, but with an additional adhesive.
Okay.
So this is also seen very often in the industry.
Right. Good. And finally, standing behind us, we've got a Smartline. Now, we've got looks like 3 machines in a row here connected to an Archimedes supply chain. Yeah, it's a cart. It's a supply cart, isn't it? With a pick-to-light system. So can you explain to us what's going on there?
Exactly. So the line that we show here is a line that you normally don't find. Normally you have a screen printer and 2 pick-and-place, so 3 pick-and-place machines. What you see here is a dispensing system, an all-in-one, which can do both. And one who does the pick and place.
Okay.
So the middle machine, depending on whether you have a product where you need more time for the dispensing, or whether you need more time for the pick and place. For example, for big components,
I get it.
It can adapt, so it does more the dispensing or more the pick and place. So you have full flexibility.
Right.
And as you said, we have also a link to Arcadia, which is our partner for material management.
Yeah.
So you know exactly at any time what material you have on stock, and then you can also prepare the material for the machine so that you minimize the changeover time.
Minimize changeover and have continuous production. Now, you said about the middle machine could be configured for to do odd form placement or to do more dispensing. Is that configurable in the field, or is that?
That's configurable in the field.
It is?
Correct.
Okay.
It even adapts by itself. So when it feels that he has to supply more on one side, it adapts and does more pick and place or more dispensing.
Yeah, because a lot of companies doing small batch and high turnover, but high mix, should I say? But they don't know what they're going to be making in 6 months' time.
Absolutely.
So they need the flexibility.
They need the flexibility, and I think one is also important with the speeds that we have reached in pick and place. Now, 30 components per hour, 30,000 components per hour, and more than 1 million dots per hour. We are now at a speed level where we cannot just serve the NPI or high mix, low volume market. We can really now also extend into the mid volume. So if a customer has a need to first test a new product, NPI department, he can easily transfer also his recipes into the larger volume and mid volume machines.
Yeah, excellent. Great. Well, it looks like you're doing a lot of the right things. Certainly, looking at the machines are looking well, but governing by the amount of interest in your booth.
Yes.
So congratulations, Olivia, and thank you for.
May I quickly introduce you one important person?
Oh, he's very important. This guy.
Exactly. So this is Charlie. Charlie, our mascot, the chameleon.
Has he got a long tongue somewhere?
Exactly. The tongue is hidden.
It's hidden, is it?
No, but we use the chameleon to show versatility, and as we have the theme guiding you through the jungle, of course, he lives in the jungle.
He lives in the jungle.
And he adapts to changing environment immediately by changing color. And we are offering all the tools to our customers to adapt rapidly to changing environment.
Yeah.
So naturally adaptive, that's our slogan. And I'm very proud to work for Charlie.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense, be a chameleon. And I think that's very true. I think every company has to be like that. He obviously likes you. Olivia, thank you very much for spending time with us today.
Thank you very much, Trevor.